So we start off today's video with someone who has super long waist length hair. The hair is placed into two ponytails. The stylist begins to cut. Wow, that is a lot of hair. Wow, absolutely stunning bob makeover. Look how much volume this has. Oh, she looks amazing. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some amazing before and after transformations. So here we have someone with mid-length blonde hair. And the stylist does another gorgeous bob haircut. Beautifully done. Next up, we have some color being added to the client's hair. Ooh, wow. Beautiful dimensional blonde hair coloring. I like the fact that the bangs are a little bit lighter than the rest of the hair. And she has a gorgeous tousled bob haircut. And then we have someone who went red with this beautiful shoulder length style. Full bangs in the front. The color looks radiant. Very nice chic pixie bob style. This one has some bangs going there on the side. A bit of a bottleneck style bang. I love the dramatic angle of this. This is so chic. And then we have the cutting of a pixie style. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Oh, very nice. This is a very short and sweet pixie style with a bit of a choppy texture to it. And then we have another bob haircut. Oh, another bob that features the bottleneck style bangs going there in the front. Very nice. Oh, rainbow hair for the next transformation. Lots of different colors mixed in here. Wow, so pretty. She has like a shaggy bob cut. The color looks great. Definitely something different. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair. Stylist cuts the hair into a bob and then adds in some color. Oh, very nice chic bob style with the money piece highlights going there in the front. Gorgeous. And then we see someone with mid-length hair, once again, a bit of a ginger color. And it looks like she got a color refresh into more of a copper shade. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, and I will see you in the next one.